Hello everyone. Today we are talking about something we all use every day, social media. But what exactly is it? Let's find out. So I divided this video into some segments. So number 1 segment is definition of social media, means what is social media. So social media refers to platform that let us connect, share and interact with other online. Whether it is posting photos on Instagram, tweeting on X, and or making videos on TikTok and many social medias, is all creating and share content in a digital community. Segment number 2 is why we use social media. We use social media to stay connected, express ourselves and even entertain ourselves. It's where we catch up with friends, discover new trends and share our lives with the world. So the next segment is the impact of social media. But social media isn't just about fun and games. It has a big impact on how we think, feel and even act. It can be a powerful tool for positive change, but it also comes with challenges like managing mental health and privacy. So that social media is nutshell, connecting, sharing and shaping our world online. How do you use social media? Let me know in comment box. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick explainer videos. See you next time.